go. Seattle Monorail. I think I did this in like 1995 with my buddy Burn.
Welcome to Seattle Monorail. Please take a seat or hold on to the handrail. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy the ride.
It's kind of cool. You can, yeah. Right ahead. Oh, I can see it. That's it. Yeah. Right by the Space Needle. Huh? We can see ourselves in the reflection. Oh, that's the Pop Culture Museum? That's a little quick trip. This is the end.
Now arriving at Seattle Center Station. This is our one and only stop.
That's
Please
all it
make sure
does.
you have all of your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the doors on the right side of the train. We hope to see you again soon.
It just goes back and forth. It was very famous when it first opened.
It was nice though, you can see all the buildings.
Yeah. Well, remember when it first opened, it was
The pop culture is that one.
it was a big deal.